In this video, we'll cover the most frequently asked questions about Colorado cabinet refacing. What exactly is cabinet refacing? Cabinet refacing involves completely covering all exterior surfaces, including side panels and face frames, with new doors and drawer fronts. We also install new hardware and other customizations to complete the transformation. It's a cost-effective and efficient way to update your kitchen's look and feel without the disruption of a full remodel. Does refacing cabinets limit my design options? Absolutely not. Refacing opens up a world of design possibilities. While the core structure of your cabinets remains, you can dramatically transform their look with a vast array of styles, colors, and finishes. Colorado Cabinet Refacing offers an extensive selection of premium materials, custom door styles, and unique upgrade options to personalize your kitchen's aesthetic and bring your vision to life. Can damaged cabinets be refaced? In most cases, yes, but it depends on the extent of the damage. Colorado Cabinet Refacing will assess the damage and determine the best course of action. Minor imperfections can be repaired before refacing. However, severe structural or water damage might necessitate full replacements. We'll provide a transparent evaluation and recommend the most suitable solution for your situation. What are the signs that my cabinets are good candidates for refacing? Ideal candidates are cabinets that are in good structural condition, sturdy, well-built, and free from major damage. The existing layout should also suit your functional needs, as refacing focuses mostly on aesthetics rather than complete reconfiguration. CCR will evaluate your cabinets and offer personalized recommendations to ensure your refacing project is a success. How much does cabinet refacing cost? Costs can vary depending on materials, kitchen size, and specific project details. However, refacing is generally 30% to 50% less expensive than installing new cabinets entirely. Colorado Cabinet Refacing offers free online cost examples and easy initial estimates through email to see if things look like the right fit. How long does cabinet refacing take? Depending on the kitchen's size and the scope of work, refacing can take anywhere from a few days up to 2 weeks. This is significantly faster than a full cabinet replacement, minimizing disruption to your daily routine. We value your time and strive for efficient project completion, allowing you to enjoy your revitalized kitchen sooner. Your kitchen remains functional during the refacing process in most cases. Are there different material options for refacing? Of course. With solid hardwood choices, wood veneers, laminates, and thermofoils, there are endless choices to fit your style and budget. Each offers unique aesthetic qualities and price points. Colorado Cabinet Refacing can help you explore the various options and select the perfect materials to achieve your desired result. Can I change the layout of my kitchen during the refacing process? Yes, you can add new cabinets or modify the existing layout within reason. Refacing primarily focuses on the existing cabinet structure. While we can make modifications to existing cabinets, significant layout changes can require more extensive remodeling, so it depends on the situation. CCR can assess your needs and advise on the best approach to achieve your desired outcome. Will refacing add value to my home? Definitely. A refreshed kitchen significantly enhances your home's appeal and value. Refacing is a cost-effective way to modernize your space and attract potential buyers. It's a smart investment that yields both immediate enjoyment and long-term benefits. Plus, with Colorado Cabinet Refacing eliminating the middlemen and providing higher quality refacing, the added value is much better than any other provider in the area. What maintenance is required after refacing cabinets? It's just like maintaining any other cabinet. There is no difference. Regular cleaning with a non-abrasive cleaner and a soft cloth keeps your refaced cabinets looking their best. Specific care instructions might vary based on the chosen materials, but there is no extra maintenance required. How do I choose the right contractor for refacing my cabinets? Choosing the right contractor is crucial. Look for a company with positive reviews, an authentic portfolio of completed projects, and verifiable before and after photos of projects in your area. We invite you to explore our extensive portfolio and read testimonials from satisfied clients. At Colorado Cabinet Refacing, we're confident in our expertise and commitment to excellence. Are you ready to transform your kitchen without the hassle of a full remodel? Visit the Colorado Cabinet Refacing website today to learn more and get your free estimate started. We're excited to help you create the kitchen of your dreams.